Hello, and welcome back. This is a short video of some outtakes of one of my first videos. I thought I'd just show y'all and just be embarrassed. So I hope you enjoy. It's only a little over a minute long, so laugh and make fun of an old man. It's okay. Hello, my name's Ron Mullet, and I've been woodworking. Damn it. I love working with rough sawn hardwoods. It's less expensive, and I can make it I love working with rough sawn hardwood. Damn it. For any project I'm building. My channel is new. Check out my website. Check out my website for some example. Check out my website for some. Check out my website for some. For some examples. Check out my website for some examples of my work.